Hello everyone, we will show you the welding applications of W20S ultrasonic handheld spot welding machine on different materials. Compared with traditional welding, ultrasonic welding does not require the addition of any auxiliary materials, and it has high welding strength, good appearance, simple operation, safety and reliability. The ultrasonic handheld spot welder generates local high temperature through high-frequency vibration, thereby achieving fast and strong welding of materials. It can meet the welding needs of different materials and thicknesses, such as ABS, PP, PE, PC, etc. It can also achieve accurate welding, thereby improving production efficiency and welding quality. It is commonly used in industries such as plastic, electronics, automotive parts, packaging, plastic toys, sports equipment, communication equipment, etc. Learn more, please follow me.